Okay, children. So we'll start with the problems of rational numbers, exercise problems of rational numbers. The last exercise, that is exercise 9.2. Okay, we are doing the find the sum.
Ma'am, exercise 9 point.
You know what to do, no? In addition of rational numbers, how will you add? If the same denominators come, you have to find a, you can simply add the numerators. But if denominators are different, you have to find the LCM and bring the denominator to the same number. And then you have to add and subtract. So we'll do addition and subtraction problems first. Okay. Then we can pass on to multiplication and division. And what I think is today this chapter will get over, and remaining sometimes some exercise problems in between will be there. Mark the rational number in between and mark the rational number on the number line. All these things I have discussed. Okay, which is greater, same thing as fractions. So I'm doing the last exercise of this chapter. Okay, then after that, then next week we can do revision. You know, 17th your exam begins, test begins. So next week we can do the revision. Okay, so let us start. I'll give you the problems. You have to find out the answer and tell me, because it is same as fractions. Okay. Okay. So let us start. I think Suraja was there in this. Suraja, it is 7A class. Okay. She left.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the beginning she was there.
Huh?
She left. In the beginning she was there.
Ah, okay, okay. She. Screen share I have disabled. Okay. Yes, no? Yes. Okay. So now listen to, and children, next week, don't be absent. Next week, you should not be absent in maths class next week, and till the revision classes. Revision classes, don't be absent. Everybody should attend
Next
revision
week on
classes.
you will take
Otherwise,
class
you will
test.
find the test, your exam, very difficult. Okay. Isa is traveling somewhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how will you do the problems? I'm giving you the problems to do. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a book.
Okay. Okay, we'll do it. Listen.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you, do it, find out the answer. Okay. 5 by 4, simple problems it is. 5 by 4 plus negative 11 by 4. First one. What is the answer? Find out and tell me the answer. Each one we can discuss and go. So that problems will be over. Okay.
Negative
Tell me the
6
answer.
by 4.
Negative 6 by
Yes.
4.
By 4.
Negative 6.
Minus,
6
okay.
by 4.
So here, listen children, here denominators are same, isn't it? Yes, denominators are same. So we can simply add the numerators. So divided by 4, common denominator, isn't it? Same denominator. So we can write the common denominator. And what you will get is negative 6 by 4. Then simplify, reduce to the lowest form. Rational number,
Common
you can
factor.
reduce to the lowest form. Well, how will you reduce to the
Common
lowest form?
factor.
Negative 6 by 4. How
Common
will you reduce?
Divided by 2.
Divide by the common factor.
factor.
So common factor is 2. Both 6 and 4, common factor is 2. So divide by 2. Okay. So what
3
will
by
you get?
2.
Minus 3 by
Negative
2.
3
Answer
by
is
Negative 3
minus
by 2.
or negative 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay. Next question. Next question is 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. Answer?
You have to make
Find out.
Ma'am, 34 by 15.
34 by 50. Okay, who said the answer? Please be louder. I can't hear. Okay.
Gauri.
33.
34 by 50.
Okay. Who told the answer?
34
Amal.
by 50.
Amal,
Not
why
me,
videos
not
are
me.
switched off?
Not me. I got the answer, but I didn't
Huh?
say.
Ma'am, I only told Gauri.
Okay, okay. No, why Amal video? Switch on the video. All of you switch on the video. Here I'll mark absent. Okay. Videos are switched off means I'll be marking.
Power failure.
Where is ma'am? Amal, switch on the
Power
video.
failure.
Ma'am is in the school.
Amal, switch on the video. Switch on the video.
Pause the recording. Isa, pause the recording.
What about? Did you get the answer? Can you hear me? Power failure was
Yes,
there.
ma'am. 34 by 50.
34
by
by
9.
50.
Ah, yes,
54
yes.
by 50.
Yes, yes. Let me see whether this board is available. No, I have to take it again. Okay. Board is gone. So, EC board. Can you see now?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you haven't shared the
Okay.
screen.
Okay. I'll come back. Yeah. Share. Okay. Now you can see, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now the
Yes,
question,
ma'am.
our question was 5 by 4.
5 by 3 by
5 by 3 plus
5 by 3 plus
5 by
3 by 5.
3 plus 3 by 5. Isn't it? Question was 5 by 3 plus 3 by 5. LCM you have to take here because the denominators
50.
are different. 3 and 5 LCM is 3 into 5, 15. So you'll get 15 as LCM. Bring both the denominators to 15. So you have 25 by 15.
By 15.
The next one 3 by 5 into 3.
3 by 3.
9
3
into 3 and
50.
5 into 3, 9 by 15, and
15.
it is equal to
9
34
by
by
15. Now what to do? Add 25 by
20
15
plus will get
plus
34 by
9
50.
by 15. You will be getting 34 by
50.
15 as answer.
So answer is 34 by
34 by
50.
15 you will
we
get.
cannot simplify, right?
Next question is this one. Next question. It is negative 9 by 10, negative 9 by 10 plus 22 by 15. 22 by 15.
Ma'am, 17 by 30. Ma'am,
Yes,
17 by 30.
17 by 30. Correct. Answer is 17 by 30. So let us do that. All students, please do it
Wait,
yourself.
ma'am,
Okay, do it
let me
yourself.
look, let me look.
Huh?
1
Okay.
minute, 1
Ma'am, I
minute.
want to look.
LCM, find out LCM. LCM, you can find out what is 10 and 15. You will get the LCM. You will be getting see
Negative
5. You can
27.
take 5 as
We
the
will get 30.
number. 5
30.
2s are 10,
30.
5 3. Then again 2 1 3 3 1 1. Okay, so you will get 10 into 30. LCM is 30.
2 and 3. So we
Yeah.
get 30.
So
30.
negative 9 by 10 into 3.
Into 3. Into 3.
That is
We'll
negative
get
27
negative
by
12 by
30.
30.
Negative 27
The
by
other one
30.
you will get 22 by 50.
71 by
How
50.
to make it 30? Multiply by 2. Isn't it? So
Multiply
44 by 30.
44 by 30.
Now add. What you will get while adding negative 26 by 30
17 by
plus
30.
44 by 30.
17 by 30.
So what is the answer
17
you
by
get?
Best friends.
17 by 30.
44 minus 27, isn't it? 44 minus 27, you will get 17 by
30.
30. Positive 17 by 30 because greater number is positive, isn't it?
17 by 30.
So answer is 17 by 30. Next question. Next question is this one. Next is negative 8 by 19. Negative 8 by 19 plus negative 2 by 57. Do it. Negative 8 by 19 plus negative 2 by 57. Yes, sir. Switch on the videos. I want everybody to switch on the video. Do it. Yes, sir. What are you doing? Find out the answer. Some are finding the answer and the others are sitting.
Ma'am, negative 26 by 57.
57.
Yes, tell me the answer.
Negative 26 by 57.
57.
Negative 26 by 57.
Negative
No,
answer.
no.
What is the answer you get?
Negative
Negative 26 by
57.
57.
Did you say negative 26 by 57?
Yes.
Oh, correct.
So we will get negative,
Check your answer once more.
positive, and positive.
57, 19 is a common factor, no? 19. 19 into 3
It is
is
19, I think. 9.
57.
Ma'am, 19 into 3 is 57.
So
Negative
it is a common factor is 90.
Negative
Isn't it?
2 by 57 is
So answer is?
negative 26 by 57.
Negative
Yes, very
26
good.
by
Negative 26
57.
by 57 is the answer. So negative 8 by 19. Time is up. I think 10:23 now. We have to finish
No, ma'am, till 10
subtraction,
or
multiplication and
45.
division by this period. Okay. Negative 8 by 19. How will you make it? 57 is the LCM. You will get 57. Okay. So bring the denominator to the LCM. You will get negative 24 by 57. And the other one, negative 2 by 57 is already there. So that is no need to change it, isn't it? So
Negative 8
answer
by
is
19
negative
plus
24 plus negative 2
Okay.
by
Plus
57.
negative 2
Answer
plus
is negative
57.
26 by
Negative 26 by
57.
57.
Isn't it? Gauri? Gauri
Yes, ma'am.
Shankari?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no? Okay.
Gauri Shangiri Gauri.
Yes. So that is over. And next two problems, it is easy. You know, no? One is convert it into improper fraction and do that. I'll give you homework. Okay. Only one more,
Okay.
two more problems. We'll pass on to the next set, that is subtraction of rational numbers. Same thing as the fractions. Okay. Subtraction. Find,
With the
1 minute,
difference of
let
the
me rub this, then I'll give you the problems. Okay. It is find. Again, the question is find. Find this question. It is 7 by 24 minus 17 by 36. That is subtraction. Subtraction, you know how to do it. 7 by 24 plus negative 17 by 36. This is the first step. Okay, then you do as it as addition only. Find the LCM, denominator.
And that means subtraction is also addition, right?
When subtraction comes, you have to do it like this, plus, negative.
Ma'am, is the answer negative 13 by 72?
Very good. Negative 13 by 72. Correct answer. Negative 13 by 72. Others also find out the answer. Children. LCM you will get 72, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
LCM is 72. LCM is 72.
24, LCM of 24 and 36 is 72.
Ah,
You keep going.
isn't it? Check. You can start with 2 and find it is 72. So 36 and 72. 24 into 3. So 7 into 3, 21 by 24 you will get. Then again 36 into 2. So 17 into 2, 34 you will get, isn't it? So what is it? LCM 72 means 7 by 24. How will you make it 72? Multiply by 3.
3.
Also multiply by 3. 21 by 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6, 72. Isn't it? Then next one is 17, negative 17 by, don't forget negative. Into that is already 36. So multiply by 2. 2 you will get negative 34 by 72. Isn't it? So now add 21 by 72 plus negative 34 by 72. So what is the answer you get? It is negative 13 by 72.
13 by
13 by
72.
72. Answer. Next, can I give you next question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question
Ma'am,
is,
can you
yes.
scroll it down?
Huh?
Can you scroll it down?
Scroll it down.
Yes, ma'am.
This one, you didn't finish
Nothing is there
writing?
down, only
Yes, ma'am.
72.
Fraction we can see.
Okay, write it. Write it. After that only I'm giving you another one. Scroll it. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. Okay, children. So I'll give you another one. And we have to finish today itself. Otherwise, revision and all will become a problem. Next question is, everything is of same type. We can do 5 by 63. 5 by 63 minus negative 6 by 21. 5 by 23 is 5 by 63 minus 6 by 21.
23 by 63.
Very good. 23 by
Sir.
63. You know LCM will
How
be
fast they are
LCM
finding that?
21 into 3 is 63, isn't it? So LCM is always is 63. Okay, LCM is 63. So now we will bring the denominator to LCM. This is same thing. We can multiply by 1, no problem. 5 by 63 itself. Now this one, first of all, you change this. It is 5 by 63. Negative into negative. It is plus 6 by 21, isn't it? Minus 6 by 21. That means it is plus 6 by 21. Now next one was 6 by 21. How will you make it 63? Multiply by 3, both sides. So 18 by 63 you will get. Now we add 5 plus 63 plus 18 by 63. What will you get? 23 by 63. Isn't it? 23 by 63 is the answer.
Ma'am, I done it.
23 by 63. One more problem of the subtraction we will do, then pass on to multiplication. Oh, 10:31 now. 10:40, I have to take attendance.
I'm
Okay.
45.
18 by
Multiplication
63 is
simply direct
negative, right?
multiplication. Very easy. Division also it is very easy.
6 is
Only
Ma'am,
addition and subtraction you have to
can
find
you
the
hear me?
LCM and all, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Please be louder.
Ma'am, the fraction 18 by 63 is negative, right?
Yes.
No.
Oh, ma'am, that's 6 by 6 into 3. That 6 is negative.
Yes.
6 is negative. Negative 6 by 21.
Ma'am,
There
so
is
when we find the
The
answer,
answer
it
you
will
wrote
be,
only
it
you wrote
will be less,
positive.
right?
Ma'am,
We
that's 6 by
subtract the
21 into
half,
3
right?
into 3 that you wrote positive 6.
that is negative into minus 6. Means what? Negative into negative, positive, isn't it? You can write here,
negative into negative positive.
plus will come there.
Yeah, ma'am.
Clear? If
Okay.
both minus negative 6, that means it is plus 6. Okay. Two negatives come together, it is addition. That you keep it in mind. Not minus, negative. That means it is plus. Now, next question. Next one is negative 2 and 1 by 9 minus 6. Negative 2 and 1 by 9 minus 6.
Say the answer.
Do it.
And don't say the
2 and
answer.
1 by 9, just make it.
And don't say the answer, we know.
Improper fraction. No, I'm not saying the answer. You have to tell me.
It is subtraction.
Yeah, subtraction, no,
Ma'am?
minus 6.
Don't say.
No, do it. I'm not saying the answer.
Let's say, we'll say.
In Google, how fast they are saying the answers. Calculator, sir.
Shreya, switch on the video. Shreya, switch on the video. Why Shreya is not there?
Mom, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Wait. मैं finish. Wait.
Somebody is asking to wait you. You people wait. I don't know why. Vaishnav, Suresh, Anusha, Latish, switch on your videos. All of you switch on the videos. Srihari, I can see you only a photo over there.
Finish.
Okay. So tell me the answer.
17 by 6.
Can you
No.
17 by 6 divide and make it an improper make it a mixed fraction
Ma'am,
because
there is a
Negative 71 by 9.
is it 17
negative
45 by
73 by
9.
9.
73 by 9. Okay.
Negative 71 by 9.
70 it is 73. Negative 73 by 9.
Negative 73 by
Negative
9.
73 by 9.
Correct. Negative 73 by 9. I heard 73. Negative 73 by 9 is the correct answer.
Instead of 9, I wrote 6, ma'am. That way.
Negative 73 by 9. Okay.
Ma'am, negative 8 1 by 9.
Yes. Negative 8 1 by 9. That is when you make it improper fraction. Sorry, when you make it mixed fraction, you will get negative 8 and 1 by 9. Okay. So let us see what it is. You will be getting this. You make the improper fraction. 2 9s are 18 plus 1 19, isn't it?
19
so you'll
by
get 19 by 9 minus 6, isn't it? So that means it is plus negative 6. So what is the LCM coming here? It is 9. Clear? Isn't it? LCM is 9. So here multiply by 1 only, no problem. No need to multiply actually, but still for you not to be in confusion, I am multiplying. Okay. This one negative 6 by 1. Multiply by 9. 9. So what you will get? Negative,
Ma'am,
that
is
is
answer
negative 54
35.
by 9. Isn't it? Negative 54 by 9. So negative 19 by 9
plus negative
plus
54 by
negative
9.
54 by 9. You will be
Is
getting
equal
73 by
73 by
negative
9.
73 by 9. Make it improper fraction, make it mixed fraction. You will get 8 and 1 by 9. Negative is there, don't forget. Negative 8 and 1 by 9. Okay, negative 8 and 1 by 9 is the
And 3
answer.
more minutes.
Attendance.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Attendance. Wait.
multiplication
2 more minutes are there.
attendance.
I'll do one more, some problems from multiplication and division, then we will stop. Wait. Okay. Next is multiplication. 2 problems from multiplication. We can finish the chapter.
Multiplication,
It's very
we should
easy.
simply
Negative
write
6 by 5 into, tell me the answer.
Don't
Only
say
2
that.
problems we can do. There are remaining, you can do it at home. It's very easy. What is the answer?
Ma'am, negative 54, negative
question is,
54 by
what is the
55.
question? Negative 6 by 5 into
Negative
54
by
9 by
55.
5. Negative 54 by
negative
55.
54 by
55.
55. That's all.
55.
Total
Okay.
answer.
One more question. It is very easy. 3 by negative 5 into negative 5 by 3. What is the answer?
Ma'am, negative 15 by negative
negative
15.
Negative
Negative 15.
It is
15 by negative 1.
answer. Positive 1. That's all. Okay. Now division. Division, you know how to divide.
Reciprocal.
Just make it reciprocal.
Take the
isn't it?
reciprocal of the
Okay.
second
So that
fraction
is
and
one question, two questions from that also we will do. Then we will finish. Okay, we finish that chapter. See this question. Negative 1 by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2 by 3. Always I have told you when it is negative 4, you can take it as negative 4 by 1. Okay. So how will you do it? Negative 4 by 1
6, right?
into
Ma'am, negative 6.
3 by 2.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Correct answer.
Ma'am,
So,
negative 12 by 2.
I'm negative 6.
Negative 12 by 2 and it is 6.
Negative
Negative 6.
Negative.
negative 6.
Negative
Now,
6.
one more question we can do from that. Very easy. Negative 1 by 8. Two questions. Only that. Then remaining we can do as homework. Very simple questions. By that we can finish that chapter.
These students only 3.
So, negative 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. That is easy. What is it? Answer. Answer fast.
Negative 4 into negative 4 by 24.
24.
Negative 4 by 24. Negative 4
Negative
by
1 by
24.
4 by
Okay.
24.
Answer is
Negative
Negative
4 by
4 by
24.
24.
4 by
4 by
24.
24. What is it then?
Then it is
4
No,
by
ma'am,
24.
negative 4 by
1 by
24.
6.
1 by
Negative
6.
4 by?
Negative 1 by 6.
Negative 1 by
Okay.
6.
So let us see. 1 by 8 divided by. So multiply by 4 by 3. Isn't it? So you'll get negative 4 by 24. Common factor is there, no? 4 is a common factor. Divide by 4. Both sides. What will you get? Reduce to lowest
Negative
form.
1 by 6.
Negative 1 by 6.
6.
Isn't it?
1 by 6.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So answer is negative 1 by 6. Clear? Next question. One more question. By that we can stop. Yes. One question. Yeah. That is last one we will do. Last question. 3 by 13 divided by negative 4 by 65. Oh, 65 it is. Okay. 3 by 13 divided by negative 4 by 65. Find out. That is the last question.
Ma'am, negative 15 by 4.
Very good. Negative 15 by 4 is the answer. Negative 15
Ma'am,
by
negative 4 by what?
negative 15 by
65.
4. Clear. So we'll have check this 3 by 13 into 65 by negative 4. Isn't it? So what will be the answer? You can just
3 by
cross
13 to
multiply. Isn't it?
65.
Okay. So
195 by negative
so 15 by 4. You can write negative 15 by 4 as the answer, isn't it? So answer
I
is
wrote
negative
like the
15 by
I
4.
wrote
Okay, we'll take
195
attendance.
Ma'am,
by
already 2 minutes.
That's all. Clear?
Ma'am, attendance.
Attendance. By this, that chapter is over. Remaining problems I'll give as homework. Okay, it is very easy. You can do it yourself. Now attendance I'll take.
Ma'am, the answer is 15 by negative 4, right?
Yes. 15 by negative 4, negative if you take to the numerator also no problem. It will be in the standard form. Okay. So today's date is 5th, I think, December
5. I will take keep going.
5, 12. Okay, Sriram.
Present, ma'am. December 7.
Aditya Anoop was present. Adilex. Abhinanda Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, in your screen it is 5.
Abhinand Krishna is present, no?
Yes,
Yes, say fast. Abhinav Manoj. Abhinav Manoj. Absent. Bijoy. Abhinav Bijoy. Yes, she is present. Abhinav PA.
Present, ma'am.
Ahmad Afin.
Present, ma'am.
Ivan Joseph Paul TC. Albert Jojo.
Absent.
I don't know why. Amal was there. Amna Sen was there.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Anan Hajid was there.
Present, ma'am.
Angelia was there. Anthony Bijoy. Anthony Babu. Sorry.
Present, ma'am.
And
Yes. Anusha. Yes,
Present, ma'am.
she was there. Arjun MR.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. Ayan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Say present. Okay. I cannot look. There is no time. Benedict. Benedict is absent. No. Always he is absent. Every day he is absent from the class.
those.
Kalin Matthew was
Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Dilla Darshan.
Benedict yes.
Dilla.
Present.
Party.
Then Emelina Rose.
Babu.
Emelina.
Anthony.
Emelina was absent.
Ma'am, present.
Ehal
Ma'am, no, I am present.
Ishal is present. Gauri Parvati was there. Gopal Krishna.
Present.
Yes. Hessa was there. Iza was
Present,
there.
ma'am.
Johain, I saw Johain.
Present, ma'am.
Yes.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Kripa is there. Malavika was
Present,
there,
ma'am.
no? Malavika.
Present, ma'am.
Benedict is present. Then why
Anthony
can't
K.
you
Anthony.
speak out? Huh?
He's stuck. No, he's moving.
Yes. He just now only came. Benedict?
He was there.
Malavika KK?
Anthony Chandra.
Present, ma'am.
Milan?
Present, ma'am.
Miziad? Absent. Nelvin
Present,
K.
ma'am. Miss Yad present.
Miziad is present. Miziad, when you are absent every day, I'll put absent. Okay. Nelvin K. Anup? Hello? Nelvin? Nelvin absent. What happened to Nelvin? Lakshmi Chandra is present, no? Yes. Now she is present, Lakshmi?
Shabir.
She was there.
Yes, yes, she was
She was
present
there.
for the class. Parthiv, yes.
Present, ma'am.
Parvati is present. Okay. Prajita is present.
Yes, Parthiv K. Anthony.
Then Pranavatmak was there. Rudra was there. Isn't it? Rudra. Yes. Shifana was there.
Can I go?
Shreya was there. Shreya, why don't you switch on your video?
My out.
Where is Shreya?
Amal.
Shreya.
Ma'am.
Shreya is absent. Srihari.
No, ma'am. Shreya is present.
She didn't switch on her video.
Present, ma'am.
Why?
The video is switched on, ma'am.
Okay, next is Srihari VS.
Present, ma'am.
Absent.
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay.
Present, ma'am.
Uma Parvati. She was absent, I think. Vaishnav Suresh.
Present.
Okay. So, one or two are absent, I think. Albert Jojo and Nelvin absent, and also Uma Parvati absent. Okay. Yes. Okay, children, thank you. Bye. Other students.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.